What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at reviewing Nasdaq 100. It's a bit late, actually after 12 today, tonight, actually in the morning. I'm just doing this video. Um, so yeah, um, I'm just getting started. I had some stuff to take care of, and I had to take care of it, so I'm just getting to record this video. Nevertheless, let's get right into it. So today, pretty interesting day. Uh, So today we open up with a small gap here, ran the previous daily highs, and then we dumped off and ran the previous daily lows, tap back into the new week opening gap down here before we ended the day back up here. So we had a candle that took both the high and the low. So pretty interesting day. The Wednesday's candle is already open, and I'm looking to see what we're going to do. No, I didn't take any trades today. That I did start up in what I was doing, so I didn't get to really take any trades. However, I must come and identify the opportunities that presented themselves. Now, let's get into the 4 hour. So, this is the 10 a.m. 4 candle that basically took out, the previous daily low and also took out the daily high as well. So, it came up during London session around the highs, and by New York open, kind of chopped around right around NYSE open, and then we just kind of just dropped off, dropped off pretty massively as well. So we opened up looking at the 1 hour time frame right here. The 1 hour candle, the 1 hour candle opened up. So like I was saying, tapped into this breaker block here, right around the midnight open, came down below the midnight open, tapped into this no breaker block. It was a nice little demand order block. Came into run these daily highs here. But the liquidity from the previous day high, we couldn't maintain that uptrend. We came down a little bit, and then we just took off to clear the previous daily lows. And the M15, I see where I got opportunities to get in right around here. This was a zone for me to take some buys in during the Asian session. So we kind of sold off during the Asian, came into this zone right here, tap back into it around London session, London open, and we ran up, and during the morning before New York open, we ran up and took the day high right at the open of the New York session. We didn't have any news, it was a no news Tuesday, but we ended up still running the highs, and then we dropped. There was an opportunity to get in here as well as here for the buys using this zone. And then now there was an entry opportunity also around here for the sales. We had a bit of manipulation kind of chop around right in the NYC open, but if you were patient, you could have got in down here or on the 3 minute right around here for the sale opportunity. And we just swept
London's low, as well as go below the midnight open right around here. And we tapped into, let me see what this is. We tapped into this new day, new week opening gap somewhere around here. So I didn't capitalize on any of these trades. However, they were beautiful trades, especially the sell. The buy was nice too, but not so. It was a pretty short-lived buy. But once a daily objective had been met, I was saying to my friend that not expecting much. So we barely closed above the previous daily high, which was this here. This was Monday's high. And we just dumped right after. I saw the sell off and I was saying maybe we're going to continue up, but these are all-time high markets. We came, sweep the low here, and then went right back into clearing the previous daily high. We tapped into this new day and new week opening gap, and then we just basically chattering for the rest of the day because the daily objective had been met on both sides. We took liquidity on both sides, so there wasn't much else to do but to just chat around. So that was the opportunity on that time frame. When I get into the 3 minute, there were also opportunities, but these were the main ones. So 1, 2 buys, third entry here on this 3 minute, and then the sell entry here after running the previous daily low. I'm going to cut this video a bit short because I'm pretty exhausted. So I will catch you guys on the next episode tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. You made it this far in the video. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for the support. I'll catch you guys on the next one.